people right now are curious about the difference about DC chargers and AC chargers. And today I will talk to you about the difference between them in 5 aspects. Differences in charging connections.
From these two connections, it can be seen that the charging connections designs for fast and slow charging are different.
The difference in charging efficiency. Fast charging has a faster charging speed because it can provide higher charging power, reducing the charging time of electric vehicles. Differences in equipment costs. Due to the higher power output and more complex circuit design required for fast charging stations, their manufacturing costs are higher. However, slow charging stations have lower costs and are more suitable for charging environments such as homes and companies. Different requirements of the power grid. Slow charging has less low power pressure on the power grid and can adapt to various power grid environments. Fast charging stations require the power grid to have a higher load capacity, so during installation, it is necessary to ensure that the power supply meets the higher requirements. Different application scenarios. Fast charging is more suitable for situations where there is an urgent need for fast recharging or long-distance driving. Slow charging is suitable for situations where the parking time is long and the charging demand is not urgent, such as when parking at home or in workplace. Slow charging can be chosen for charging. Today's knowledge sharing on charging stations ends. See you next time.